You don't shout like all the others, but in silence you still speak. I was running, always chasing things that fade, things I don't need. But you met me in the quiet, and there you set me free. There's heaven in the quiet, peace that fills a space inside. When I stop and finally listen, I hear your voice so kind. In the quiet I'm reminded I don't have to earn your grace. I find heaven in the quiet. When I look into your face, when I look into your face. Every worry slowly fades now as your presence covers me. No performance, no pretending, just a love that lets me be. All the noise is just distraction, but your truth rings like a bell. And I find the deepest healing where your spirit gently dwells. There's heaven in the quiet, peace that fills the space inside. When I stop and finally listen, I hear your voice so kind. In the quiet I'm reminded I don't have to earn your grace. I find heaven in the quiet. When I look into your face, let the world keep spinning fast. I'll stay here inside your rest. There's a beauty in the stillness that my heart had never guessed. Let the music build around me, but inside I'll always know I found heaven in the quiet, where your quiet rivers flow. Heaven in the quiet, you are close. When the night falls in around me, when my strength begins to fade, I remember you still found me. When I felt too far away, you were steady in the shaking. You were near when no one stayed. Now I run into your presence, where I know I'm always safe. And when the storms begin to rise, you lift me up above the tide. I'm safe in your light, even when the dark surrounds. You're the anchor holding tight when I feel like falling down. You're the calm inside. can take me from your hand. You hold me, you know me, you help me stay. You shine through my chaos, you heal what I can't. You are my stillness, my firmest love. I'm safe in your love. I'm safe in your love. I'm safe in your I'm safe in your light. I'm safe in your I used to want the fire to fall, to see the sky light up at once. But now I know you're working quiet in every beat, in every pulse. You're the steady flame inside, the warmth I never recognized. Not loud, not fast, but deep and true. You're changing